Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to perform a general physical examination. This comprehensive assessment helps evaluate a patient's overall health. We start by gathering essential information, reviewing their medical history, and discussing any current concerns they may have. Next, we take vital signs such as blood pressure, heart rate, respiratory rate, and temperature. Finally, we observe their general appearance, noting their posture, gait, and skin for any immediate indicators. Moving on, we conduct a thorough examination of the head, neck, and chest. We carefully inspect the head, looking into the eyes, ears, nose, and throat for any signs of concern. Then, we gently palpate the neck to check the lymph nodes and thyroid gland for any swelling or tenderness. Using a stethoscope, we listen to the heart for its rhythm and sounds, and to the lungs for clear breath sounds, noting any adventitious sounds. Next, we focus on the abdomen and extremities. For the abdomen, we follow a specific order. First, inspection, then auscultation, followed by percussion, and finally, gentle palpation to assess organs and detect tenderness. We then evaluate the musculoskeletal system, checking joint mobility, muscle strength, and reflexes. A thorough skin check is also performed across the entire body, looking for any rashes, lesions, or other dermatological changes. To conclude the general examination, it is crucial to summarize all findings and discuss them openly with the patient. We address any concerns they may have and explain any observations made during the exam. If needed, we recommend further diagnostic tests or refer them to a specialist for more targeted care. Remember, regular physical examinations are a cornerstone of preventive healthcare, helping to maintain overall well-being and detect potential issues early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.